Hey everyone, and thank you for joining me today in this episode of CBD 101. My name is Erin and I am the Manager for Training and Education of Nature's Ultra. Today I'm in Spanish Fork and I am at the Young Living Distribution Center and I am here to show you the fill of the new Beauty Boost. Let's get started. We are inside the distribution center here at Spanish Fork and I am joined by Lance and he is the production manager and he's going to talk to us about what is happening with the Beauty Boost. Let's get started.
So this is our Simplex line that we're running the CBD Beauty Boost on. It's one of our more manual lines that we have here, but it's got the most flexibility for some of these personal care products that we're running. You can see that right now she's filling up the bottle. The product is sitting in that funnel and top, where we'll actually fill it as that funnel gets lower in fluid. She's got a mirror up on top so she can see where that fluid is. Once she's filled that bottle, she'll actually put it on the conveyor belt, where it'll come down to our next steps here. We've got one lady here who's putting that cap in with the dropper and kind of getting it started so that the next individuals in line can go ahead and apply that torque to get the tamper band sitting right below the tamper neck on the bottle. After that, we'll come through one of our inkjet machines where we'll actually get a lock code on the bottom of the bottle. So we can see there, make sure that we've got a lot number there, that it's nice and legible for all of our members out there.
Awesome.
If there are any issues with that lock code, we can actually go ahead and take some alcohol and rub it right off. So we can actually run it right through and make sure that we're not wasting any of that product in these bottles.
No wasted product, that's awesome.
Yeah, for sure. After that, it'll come down to our little label plate here, where you can kind of see a little bit of a flag there from our label.
Yeah, it just grabs it and
wraps it just around. Grabs it and then it goes along that rubber plate there where it wraps it around the bottle.
Wonderful.
After that, it comes to our last step here where we do some last minute inspections of the bottle, make sure lock code, make sure label's good, cap's nice and tight, and we'll set it in the box here. But it's not done at this point. We'll actually take it offline into another spot where we'll get it into a carton, and I'll also lock code that carton as well. Now we're outside into the cartoning stages of the CBD Beauty Boost that we're running. So we can see here that the product has been bottled from inside. We're actually going to be putting it into a little protective packaging before it'll actually go into the box. We'll get that box all sealed up. Once that's done, we'll be putting it onto this conveyor belt. You can see it's going right past one of our inkjet lasers here, where it'll put that code right onto the bottom that matches that bottle inside. Once those are all done, we'll get into the final box, where now it's ready to be shipped either to like a Memphis or a different distribution facility or to be put on our pick lines here.
Thank you so much for joining us in this episode of CBD 101. Please remember to like and subscribe and we will see you next time.